Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to delete or close your Metamask account. In order to delete or close your Metamask account, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go and log in into your Metamask account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, tap the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. As you press on it, you'll be able to see your broad font section. You just go ahead and press that, and under it you need to go to settings. As you click the settings button, it's going to take you to this field where you have to go ahead and select general tab, or you just have to go ahead and select your account. When you select your account, then you'll be able to see your account. So press the three dot icon next to it and click on remove account from a drop down list. When you've actually done that, you'll be able to see a confirmation. So if you're sure about it, then click on the remove account button and you'll have successfully removed your Metamask account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.